Mercedes MBUX infotainment system incorporates a number of specific features that are located in an menu area. This includes a navigation system that optimizes routes for maximum range, routes you to a charger when needed, that sort of thing. Furthermore, in a nod to the smartphone market's leadership in voice control interfaces, you can now access voice control by saying "Hey Mercedes" in the EQC. Mercedes says it'll respond to natural speech. If you say, "Hey Mercedes, I'm cold," it'll apparently raise the temperature a degree. Interestingly, this isn't a system that is purely server-based. Both the car's onboard computer and a remote server interpret driver inputs, but if no internet connection is available, the onboard computer will do its best, whether this means it defaults back to requiring specific commands or uses its history of server interpretations stored locally to approximate a response is unclear. This is a feature we're looking forward to trying, with and without a server.